Here is a sentence I created in Google Docs, and it says, once upon a time, there was a flower who dreamed of taking a trip on a ship. I created this sentence in Google Docs, and I gave it the title of My Emoji Story. Now, where did I get the emojis? I could have gone to Insert, Special Characters, gone to the characters, changed it to Emoji, and then searched through and found emojis. But that is not what I did. What I did, instead of using the Insert Special Characters, was to close out the Insert Special Characters box and go up to a tab I already had open. This is a tab from Mr. Eric Kurtz. It's called Emoji Random Writing Prompt Generator. Eric Kurtz created it. He gives us directions in the first tab. In the second one, there are 2 emojis. The third one, there are 3. The fourth, this is where I got my emojis for my story. There's one for 5 emojis, and then there's some data that you will not have to open up. Maybe I could use it. Now, in number 4, I want to go back to that. I'm going to click on the flower, and I'm just going to do a Command-C. I'm going to copy it, because I want to show you where I got the flower. I insert it here. I can delete this one, do a Command-V. The flower comes back. I can put a space. That's a little large, so I'm going to bring down the font size maybe to 60, even maybe down to 48. Yeah, I like 48. A little space here. I'm going to go back, space. Where did I get the thought bubble, or I'll call it a dream? Once upon a time, there was a flower who dreamed. Same place. I just did a Command-C. Went to the Google Docs. I could delete it. I could insert it, Command-V. There it is. It's back again. The same with the emoji for travel and the emoji for the. I now want to focus on this tab, the Eric Kurtz Emoji Random Writing Prompt Generator. Now, before we had a flower, this is a different flower. We had a thought bubble, which we used for the word dream. We had a symbol for travel, and we had a ship. Now we have a flower. Is this an alien? I'm not really sure. Is it someone in distress? Something that says free, and we have a truck. Now, if I go over to 5, I have 5 emojis. If I go to 4, I have, 3 or 2. I can also do this. It says Control-R to get a random set of emojis. Now, I'm finding that sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't. I'm going to try doing a Control-R. We'll see what happens. No, it's not changing. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to reload the page. And up here next to the home button, I'm going to click Reload this page. And now it's giving us 5 different ones that we can do for a story. If we're not happy with that, we could reload again. All right, so this is something to think about. If you want to do a different story and you're not happy with what you're seeing for an emoji, click the Control-R. I'm finding it's a little, there's a delay, or my preference is to click the Reload page. I'd like to do a quick review right now to get you ready to start. You're going to notice that I have 3 tabs going. These are the only 3 tabs I need. One is my Google Drive, one is my Eric Kurtz Emoji random writing generator, and the second is my Emoji story. And you can give it any title that you want. The Eric Kurtz one, I'm using 4 emojis right now. If I want to use 5 for my stories, I could use that. But I think I'll just stick with the 4. If you want to try doing the Command R, see if it works. And I've mentioned that sometimes it doesn't. But right now it seems to be working. You find 4 that you feel good about. Pick them. I'll click the cat. He seems to be crying. I'll do a Command C. I'll go over to this tab in a Google Doc. I'll do a Command V. And I could start my story something like this. Once upon a time, there was a... Is he a sad cat? And I'll notice that I'm not happy with the font size. 72 seems to be pretty large to me. I'm going to bring it down maybe 24. Even the cat seems to be too large for me. So I'm going to bring that to about 30. Once upon a time, maybe I'll go to 36. Once upon a time there was a sad cat, do a period. Now anything after this, anything after the cat will be in 36 point. You'll notice that. So once upon a time there was a sad cat. I'll go back over here to get an idea. Command C, back to here. Start my typing. He loved to eat. Command V. And again, I want to be consistent in my font size. Go to 24. Make this one 36. Put a period here. And this period will go in as a 36. So anything I start typing from here on will be in 36 points. So you want to be aware of that. You can go in, you can change your font in Arial, change it to Georgia. That is up to you. So, once again, you're going to need 2 tabs, my emoji story, and you're going to need Eric Kurtz's emoji random writing generator. Both you will find in your Google Drive, so that shouldn't be a problem for you. Excuse me, not your Google Drive, but your Google Classroom. Anything that you change in either this tab or this will be saved to your Google Drive for the next time. Okay, I think you're going to have a good time with this this activity today. So good luck. Any problems, come up and see me as always. Over and out.